Hey seniors, this video is to show you where to go on the grocery supermarket websites to look up prices for products. So let's go to Vons.com first and take a look at their website. When you get to the Vons page, you are going to click where it says shop right here. These are all your different aisles. So let's say I am looking to get some milk. So I'm going to click on dairy, eggs, and cheese over here. You can see over here on the left, you have a menu to kind of narrow down the prices or the items that you're looking for. So I am looking for milk, and then here I have all these different milk products. You can choose between the Vons generic brand or between organic. You have all your different choices in here for it. And if you wanted to narrow it down even further, so I want to get milk, I'm just going to put that filter on. It narrows me down even more so I can compare prices. Now, of course, price.com, because hopefully on that link, do extras again, to hopefully help you out on where to click. Otherwise, happy shopping.